Hi friends, welcome to our next tutorial on Kotlin. So in this tutorial also we'll able to see this intent, implicit intent. Using implicit intent, want to open this image just which are there on your phone. So just for this, I'm creating this new project. Open image Kotlin. Just I'm creating the project name as open image Kotlin. So here also I'm selecting the Kotlin file. So just I'm clicking on the finish to create a project here. So once this project is created, as usually I want to take one button in XML. Once you click on that, I want to open this gallery on my phone with images. How this can happen, so we can see now here. So this project is created. So meanwhile, just I want to press this same button here. Just I want to copy this for here XML. Just instead of this browser that we can change. So still this project is loading. Once this project has completed loading, then we can able to start the process. It is also almost similar as Java. So where we can define this intent and all, almost all are the same. Same as now I don't want this constant layout. This constant layout I want to replace by my linear layout. Here I want to write this as here image, open image. Just I want to write this open image and open image. Here also I'm writing this open image. Just I want to write lines. Then here I want to write this code. So that is open image from the XML. See, this is open image from the XML dot set on click listener. So here as usually I'll write this intent var intent, so equal to intent. So then as usually I'll write this. Then as usually I'll write this last ending line, that is start activity of intent. Then here now within this I want to write this. Last time it's a view, now it's we need to get the content. So we should able to write this intent action get content. We should type this get action. So but here it's we need to write here intent. So within this intent dot action, so here underscore get content. We should able to get the content. So what type of content? Here we need to define that content. So type. So here once we define the type here, we can able to write this. So what type of type? But here it's a set type. So within this set type, right now I want this image. So I'm defining as an image followed by star, like this. Now I'm running this application. We can able to see here now its image is showing from the gallery or not. We can able to see here now this code in this code. So this application is running. We can able to see this output here. So it's installing. So once it is installed, we can able to check here now this output. it's now filtering the images which are available on your in internal as well as an external. Directly you can open this gallery. See, once I click on this, it is going to like open this images which are available on your phone like this. So this is how you are opening this image in this. So please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.